practicing a Let's Move quiz.
1, 2, 3, airplane seating. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, turn and face partners. Lovely. Yeah, I love how this group is making a 3. This looks good. If you though, I need knees facing knees, and then we'd be 100% perfect. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Airplane seating. And B's 2 thumbs up. Okay, so let's remember who's who. A's, B's, A's, B's, A's, B's. So when it says B's 2 thumbs up, let's try that. B's 2 thumbs up. Wonderful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and then put your thumbs down. We're going to do that one again, and then A's are going to be asked to do something, so be ready. Okay, I need this row a little bit straighter. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to start. 1, 2, 3. B's 2 thumbs up. Nice. And then A's touch your listening ears. And then B's touch your silent mouth. And then A's touch your listening ears. I tricked some of you. And then B's hands on your knees. And research groups. Do you guys know this one? Yeah. It's where you have 2 sets of partners who combine to form a research group. Yeah, exactly like this. So all of your knees are touching. Nice little group. Lovely. All right, so I want to get that one again. So 1, 2, 3, airplane seating. And 1, 2, 3, research groups. Awesome. And airplane seating. Click us forward. So you guys